Right now, tiny invaders are trying to break into your body. They enter when you breathe, touch your face, or eat. Inside your nose and throat, the virus searches for living cells. It finds a target and attaches like a key fitting into a lock. The virus takes over the cell and forces it to make millions of copies. The infected cells cry for help, sending alarm signals through your bloodstream. First responders arrive fast. White blood cells rush toward the threat. A microscopic battle erupts, devouring the first wave of viruses. Your brain raises your temperature. Fever slows the enemy down. Inflammation traps the virus, preventing it from spreading further. Antibodies arrive. They stick to the virus, blocking its ability to infect new cells. Special forces join the fight. T cells destroy infected cells before they can cause more harm. Killer cells sweep through your tissues, eliminating everything infected. The virus is losing ground. Each new copy is destroyed faster than it's made. Your body creates immune memory, like a wanted poster for the future. Damaged cells are repaired. You start to feel stronger again. Your energy returns as the immune army cleans up the battlefield. Only a few invaders remain, and they're quickly defeated. Now, if this same virus comes back, your body already knows its weaknesses. Your immune system, always protecting, always learning,